how to turn on or turn off notifications on LinkedIn. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how you can turn on or turn off notifications on LinkedIn. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged into your LinkedIn account, you're brought to your LinkedIn's page. On this page, you can see the LinkedIn logo at the top left corner. Then you can see the search bar, and then you can see your profile name, profile picture. And once you can see all of this, the next step is to move to the top right side of the screen. Yeah, where you can see some icons like home, my network, jobs, messaging, notifications, me. And once you see, just click on me, and then you can see a box displayed. In this box, you can see view profile, account settings, and privacy, and ensure you click on that. Now, after clicking on settings and privacy, you will be brought to your settings page. On this page, by the left side of the screen, you can see the different menu. You can see the different options in the menu, which include account preference, sign in and security, visibility, data privacy, advertising, then notifications. So once you see notification, just click on it. Now, once you click on it, you will brought to the notifications page. On this page, you can see the different things that you can receive notifications for. And then they include searching for a job, hiring people, someone, connecting with others, pages, etc. So if you want to receive notification for each of these, you can either turn it on or turn it off by clicking on them. So once you click on them, you can see a toggle here. You can see that this is turned on already. When the toggle is displaying green, that means that it has been turned on already. So to turn it off, just tap on it, and then once it's white, that means it has been turned off. On and off, on and off. All right. So then once you're done, go back and then do the same for others. So if you don't want it, just turn it off, turn it on that way. And then you can also do this for the rest of the notification. So that is how it works. Thanks for watching, and ensure you have a good day.